great experience coming here, and our brother Shining, he brought us all the way from this place called Nongnah, and we just loved this whole experience. He helped us trek through this whole place, and like you should come.
In fact, in the infinity
and
pool.
tourism is not yet so developed here. People litter around. I think this thing should be stopped.
And he's a very good guide.
And he's a lovely guy.
Ask
We
him
love him.
for guidance.
We'll be coming here.
Okay. Peace out.
Hey, hello.
Oh, hi.
Oi.
Hi.
This guy from Tripura.
Yes.
Hey.
This is from Assam. He's also
What's
from
up?
Tripura.
What's up,
We
boys?
only from Meghalaya.
Nice.